Hello Vivekians, welcome to School from Home. Let's start our second session of Chapter 4 History. Let's take a quick recap. Yesterday, we discussed the ancient river valley civilizations of the world, where we discussed about Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamian civilization, Indus Valley civilization, and Chinese civilization. With this, we have also discussed the Indus Valley civilization in detail, where we discussed about Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Skotiji, Dholavira, all these civilizations. Do you remember that in Indus Valley civilization we discussed in detail about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Harappa was found by Rai Bahadur Dairam Sahni, and Mohenjo-daro by whom? Yes, by R.D. Banerjee. Harappa is located at the bank of river Ravi and Mohenjo-daro at bank of river Indus. This is in Montgomery district and that is in Larkana district. Now this is our today's topic. Mention today's date. City architecture, town planning. Cities of this civilization show that people had a good knowledge of town planning and they were good architects. Most cities were divided into two parts. The western part is known as citadel, that was found on a raised ground. Many big buildings have been found here like granaries, assembly or town hall. The citadel was built on a huge brick platform. This may have been done to protect it against the danger of flood, as the civilization was located on the bank of river. You remember the river Indus? It is possible that in case of flood, people may be taking shelter in the citadel. The citadel is surrounded by huge walls. Historians believe that probably the ruling class stayed in this area. Lower towns was located at the east and common people lived in this area. See this flowchart. City architecture, good town planning, divided into two parts, citadel and another is lower town. Citadel is located in the western part and lower town located in the eastern part. Citadel is located on raised platform and lower town on lower platform. Ruling class means administrative department living in the citadel area and common people lived in the lower town. Along with this, streets, houses and buildings, drainage system, the great path, granaries were also part of this architecture. It is believed that the town planners of those times had made straight roads crossing each other at right angles and thus dividing the city into blocks. This is very similar to the modern town design used in Jaipur, Chandigarh, even after thousands of years. It is believed that houses were made of bricks and mud. Some two-storied houses have also been found here. The houses were built on both sides of the road and they had thick walls. The doors did not open on the main streets but into the side lanes. The bigger houses had a courtyard and the rooms were around the courtyard. They have a separate kitchen, bathroom. Some houses had their own wells. Drainage system. The town planners had devised a very good drainage system. The drains were so laid out that the water from bathing areas and kitchens drained into narrow drains, which later joined into larger drains. Drains had a gradual slope so that जो पानी है वो easily बाहर की तरफ आए, ensure the flow of water. At many places the drains were covered और जगह जगह पर inspection holes भी बनाए जाते थे ताकि they can see and check the hygiene and cleanliness of the drains. The Great Bath. The most important and impressive structure found at the citadel in Mohenjo-daro is the Great Bath, which resembles the modern day swimming pool, you can say. It is made up of bricks, mortar, tar, which showcase their great engineering skills. It has a large number of rooms and there are flights of steps that go down to the water. Historians ऐसा मानते हैं कि इस पूल को, इस ग्रेट बाथ को ज़रूर रिलीजियस ओकेजन्स पर यूज़ किया जाता होगा और वाटर यहाँ पर वेल्स के थ्रू ही कैरी किया जाता होगा, सप्लाई किया जाता होगा. Granaries have also been found at the citadels of nearly all civilizations. These were probably used to storehouse for grains produce, मीन्स जो एक्सेस में ग्रेन्स बच जाती होंगी उन्हें यहाँ स्टोर किया जाता होगा और जिन्हें बाद में ऐसे वक्त पर यूज़ किया जाता होगा जब या तो क्रॉप्स अच्छी नहीं आ रही हैं, फेमाइन है या कोई और रीजंस हैं, तो या ओकेजन्स पर इन क्रॉप्स को यूज़ किया जाता होगा. So students, this was the end of the today's lecture. Tomorrow we will continue with the next lecture where we will read about the life of people in the Indus Valley civilization. Goodbye.